because of the injuries that come about electrocution. Those that we get and manage and get them to a place where they're stable, they're feeding, or they at least can have a good quality of life, have to be permanent rehabs. Most of them we actually put down or find them already dead. Electrocution is usually the most difficult diagnosis to make because the electrocution, most of the time, either it dies on the spot, burns and dies, even sometimes just turns into flames and the feathers burn and you find burnt stuff.
Other birds, monkeys, leopards, giraffe, all of these get killed regularly by the new concrete poles with a short metal span and the small insulators. Those are absolutely deadly, and we had a choice of having safe ones being put in the first instance. But you can relatively cheaply fix those by the use of rubber boots and rubber insulators.
If you're looking at a population decline of 88% to 93% decline, it's a compounded decline. It means the population that is already declined will decline by the same percentage, and it's now compounding, so meaning we are likely to get into extinction very, very fast.
Good thing about this glue is that it foams up and creates like a soft barrier inside the cup between the prosthesis and the skin. Basically, that's it.
Hii ni vile naonanga ndege wanaumia, naona nikiwacha pengine wengi watakufa, lakini wale tunapatananga nao tunafanya juu chini. Tunaona huyo ndege anasurvive, tunawachilia, anaendelea na maisha yake kama kawaida. Saa ingine unakuta tukiwa hapa anarudi, anakuja kuangalia wenzako kama wako.
That electrocution now far exceeds poisoning. The question is, what can we do about it? We've had a lot of recent very good meetings with KPLC, Contracco, whereby they recognize the problem, and we're in the Soisambu Conservancy in particular is in the forefront of trying to get it done. It's very easy to solve. We can be like the developed nations of the world that has electricity but does not electrocute its birds of prey.